Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the auto dustbin emptying settings on your DREAME X30 Ultra. To do it, go to Customize here, then Dock Settings. Now select Empty and enable Auto Empty or disable it. I recommend having it enabled. Then you can set it to standard, high frequency or low frequency. Standard does that once every task. So basically, after finishing the task, the cleaning task, it will do that. For large homes or more dirty environments, you can do high frequency, which does that multiple times per one cleaning task, or low frequency, which does that once every 3 tasks. I'll go back to standard, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.